Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another No Thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishta. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties, or the grounds with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
If you're looking for a peaceful and picturesque place to call home, look no further than the Bulgarian village of Slavyanovo. Nestled in the heart of the country, this charming village offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And now, you have the opportunity to own a traditional Bulgarian rural house in this beautiful village. Located just 10 kilometers away from the town of Popovo, and within easy reach of major cities like Varna, Ruse, and Veliko Tarnovo, Slavyanovo is the perfect location for those who want to enjoy the benefits of both rural and urban living. The village has all the necessary amenities, including shops, a train station, bus station, school, library, and post office, making it a convenient place to set up your home. The house itself is a two-story building, constructed with a combination of stone and bricks. It is situated on a spacious 1,500 square meters plot of land, providing plenty of outdoor space for you to enjoy. The property also boasts a well, electricity, and outbuildings, including a large barn in the garden. While the house may not have been maintained in recent years, there is great potential for renovation and turning it into a cozy and comfortable home. On the first floor, you will find a kitchen and 3 rooms, while the second floor consists of a corridor, 2 rooms, and a storage area. There is also an adjoining building that can be used as a basement for additional storage space. The layout of the house allows for plenty of natural light to enter, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The surrounding area is perfect for nature lovers, with stunning views of the countryside and plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, and fishing. The village is also known for its friendly and welcoming community, making it an ideal place to raise a family. So if you're dreaming of owning a traditional Bulgarian rural house, this property in Slavyanovo is a great opportunity. With its picturesque location, convenient amenities, and potential for renovation, it offers the perfect blend of rural charm and modern living. Don't miss your chance to make this house your own and experience the peaceful and idyllic lifestyle of village living in Bulgaria.